Welcome to the final project presentation by one of our standout Project Management Bootcamp participants, Oluwatobi Ogunlere. In this video, you'll be watching his team's presentation, which marked a pivotal moment in his journey with us. Oluwatobi has since gone on to become one of our best graduating students alongside other incredible talents like Fatima and Emmanuella. His dedication and hard work have truly set him apart. But that's not all. After completing the program, Oluwatobi secured an internship with none other than Mr. Darlington Anaile, a mentor to over 250 project managers worldwide, including our own distinguished tutor, Ms. Toby Ojefo. This speaks volumes about his commitment to continuous growth and excellence in the project management field. Now, let's take a look at the presentation. As mentioned earlier, this was part of the final project assignment, where Oluwatobi and his team were tasked with managing a construction project. Here are the key components of their assignment. 1. They were asked to identify potential risks associated with the construction of a new office building and develop a detailed risk register. 2. Next, they researched potential suppliers for construction materials and developed a comprehensive procurement plan. 3. Finally, they crafted a team charter and developed a RACI model, outlining roles and responsibilities within the team. This project encapsulates key aspects of project management, including risk management, procurement, and team coordination, all of which are essential in any successful project. Let's watch as Oluwatobi presents his team's approach to these critical tasks.
Yes, we're given a task from construction company, and we were given a task to do a construction for a building and the likes. And we're told to do the preparation and training management plan, the documents, and the resources, the procurement, and as well as the RAC charts to show, and also the team chart too. So the first one is this is about 23 documents, but I'll be fast with I'll try my best to. I want to try my best not to bore us. The first document which we're meant to present is operational and training risk management. Before I proceed, I'd like to appreciate TSS Academy. Also appreciate our coach, that's Mr. Oluwatobi. Thanks so much for the training and thanks so much for the impact. Really appreciate, and thanks so much for the document you share with us. We also maximize the document well. Thank you. The operations and training risk management plan. Yes, the project manager is Emmanuella. Status of this document is still drafts. Drafts in final. We're going to get the final. Your approval today make it either this document will be final, because TSS Academy is the stakeholder of this project, is our sponsor. This project was created, this document was created June 15, updated June 17. The objective of this operation and training management plan, we have some key objectives, which I'll be sharing them with you. The first one, we want to deliver the new building on time. Yes, that's the construction building. Not just deliver it, we also want to meet the budget, as well as meet all the quality and safety standards. We also want to identify the potential risk throughout this the project cycle and develop mitigation strategies to minimize the impact on the schedule, the budget, the quality, and safety. We also want to establish clear processes, the procedures for the construction activities, material procurement, subcontractor management, quality control to ensure efficient management execution. And since we also want to implement and enforce trade safety protocols. Yes, but since I'm doing it operation and everything, we also that the risk management will also concern about the strict safety protocols. This is construction. Things can happen on the site. While doing construction, something can follow on the manager. Something can be collapsed. So we want to avoid all these unforeseen situations. By doing this, we also want to make that every workers, laborers employed on that site, they adhere to all the relevant building codes, the safety regulations, and the Lagos State environmental standards throughout the construction process. Yes, the summary of this project is just that it's a project on your feasibility for TSS Academy. This is a on time and on budget completion while meeting the highest quality and safety standard. And the timeline is just 12 months. Our key milestones are the project kickoff, the permits, foundation completion, building enclosure such as walls, roof, windows, the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, interiors, pre-occupancy, inspection, and likes, and also handing over to TSS Academy. Yes, we have some risk. What are the risks we could? The risk that could occur and likes, and how we're going to mitigate them. The first is schedule delay. Maybe because of financial anything, maybe we'll not start on time and likes. What's the likelihood of this risk is medium. The impact is medium, and the risk rating is still medium. How to mitigate it? We're going to develop a detailed critical path method, schedule with a buffer, and we're going to identify these secure critical materials early, which we have also done. Maintain a contingency plan for all foreseen events. Who's going to be responsible? That's the project manager, which is Emmanuella. Second, budget overruns. What if analysis that what if the budget we are presenting is not enough for this project? That's an high risk, and the likelihood is medium, but the impact is high because if there's not enough money, and if the budget is not enough, the project won't be able to achieve the success on time. And the risk area is also high too. What was the mitigation plan is to obtain detailed quotes from suppliers, which you have done. So you implement a changeover, a change order management process. I also maintain a contingency plan. Who are those involved? That's the project manager and the finance. Hazard and our risk is hazard on construction. We own in the construction sites. A project manager and the project team must be sure that they work towards this and make sure it's not try to minimize the hazard on the construction site. The likelihood is medium. The impact is high. Yes. When there's hazard, well, for instance, when the workers have any accident and likes, it's going to delay the time frame for this project. And the risk rating is also high. What's the mitigation plan? We have developed a comprehensive safety plan, conduct regular safety and training for all workers, implement strict safety protocols on site. Who are those in charge? The project manager and the safety officer. Yeah, lots more like that, such as poor quality construction, environmental concerns like accidents, spills, dust, and noise pollution, delays in obtaining necessary permits, difficulty in finding workers. We have unexpected shortages of critical materials, encountering unexpected site conditions, such as hazardous materials or weather, client scope changes. Yes, we know that that one is very, very critical, whereas TSS scope might change. They may say, yeah, I want maybe this plan, maybe they want one side of the construction to be in another form, in another design and everything. Yes, the impact can be low, and so this is also medium, and the risk is also a medium. Well, what we're going to mitigate this risk is to establish a clear change order process with divine approval protocols. Yes, if there's any change, we're going to write to the TSS because they are supposed to project sponsor as well as also the clients, and tell them, this we are doing this change and everything. This is what is going to cost, and this is going to be the duration. At least there should be a clear change and a good communication. We're going to maintain an open communication so that we could achieve that goal as well as meet their. I mean, they know that since we're achieving that goal, it could also affect the duration of this project. So at least it must be a good communication balance. And those in charge are the project manager and the client's representative, which is Miss Oluwatobi. Yeah, yeah, we have a list of suppliers, vendors, also and the addresses. The suppliers like the concrete, the steel, the wood, the masonry. We are getting them from Binance Global Nigeria Limited. The address is 45 Ikodu Road, Lagos, 6.9 kilometer. This is a phone number there. We also have that the exterior cladding materials, such as the glass, the mental panels, the stone, which has the granite, marble, limestone, and likes. Also the fiber and cement. We're getting them from Nigeria Limited at 43 Oba Akran Avenue, Ikeja, Lagos State. The phone number is there, and their website is nigeriatlimited.com. Also, the installation materials, that the fiberglass installation, the foam board installation, the spray foam installation. We're also getting that from 5 Wema Terrace, Lagos, 12 kilometers, and the phone number is also here. Our roofing materials, that's the asphalt, space windows, the metal roofing, the bit of roofing, and the APDF rubber roofing, which is also used for the low slope buildings. We're also getting that from Wish Tech, from that are located at 5 Wema Terrace, Lagos, 12 kilometers. We also have that number here too. The interior finishing materials aspects, the drywall, the flooring, the ceiling, we're getting that from Rotary Club at Rotary Club of Victoria Island, Lagos. That's number 28 Awolowo Road, Ikoyi, Lagos. Also, sustainable innovative materials such as the green concrete, the bamboo, the recycled steel, the low glass, the phase change materials and likes. We are getting that from Binance Global Nigeria Limited, about 45 people do road. Also have that number there. The electrical materials too, that's the copper wiring. We're getting it from Legrand, Nigeria. We have the address there. Also have the plumbing materials also be needed too. That's the PEX2 and 2B, the PVC pipes and lights. So we're getting that from the civil engineering plumbing work located at Bayet, Ainon, Crescent off following Badebo Street, Abitola bus stop, Agbado. We also have the phone number there. Yes, so this is why you choose these people, because they send in bundles. They send in bundles. We try to get our materials in bulk and everything so that we can get at a better price, a discounted price, rather than going to smaller retailers and the likes. We should have the HVAC systems, that's the ductwork insulated panels, the heat pumps and the likes. So I'm also getting that from HVAC Solutions Nigeria Limited. They're located at number 22A, Akinola Crescent off Adeniyi Jones. We also have that number there too. Yeah. The procurement, yes, the procurement plan for deluxe construction plan. Yes, we have the procurement plan. Yes, the project name is Deluxe Office Building Construction Project. Yes, and the project sponsor, that's Deluxe Construction Company. We are constructing that, and we are constructing a state-of-art building with premium finishes, advanced technology integration, and sustainable design principles, which we took our time to look to find the premium quality materials that would bring the standard of TSS Academy. You know, the building needs to be enticing. You know. You need to preach the building to preach the good works. You know, yes, the TSS Academy is doing great works in pattern lives. Also, the building must also resonate with the vision and the impact that they be doing. So you have to give them the quality. That's it. And you got the stakeholders. The stakeholders, we have the company, which is Deluxe Construction Company. We have the employees, that's the team. We have the suppliers, which I've listed before. We have the project manager, that's Emmanuella. We have the project team, Oluwatobi, and we have government agencies. Depending on the permits needed, we go to our different agencies that will come and everything for on-site and supervision, and those that we go to get permits from. We have the architects, the engineers, the interior designers, and unless are the major people. Yeah. Without boarding us, let me go to the last aspect. We also have the monitoring and documentation reporting. That's the risk management, which I've stated earlier, the supplier selection and contract negotiation. So about we get insurance from them. When getting this supply, we'll try to evaluate them, also to them to seek for negotiation. That is why we said that we went to meet the wholesalers right directly from the factory, so we can get a discounted price. And we can also negotiate price at least to help us we're getting the quality material at least at a discounted price. So we could save cost. Implementation, yes, we have implementation and monitoring. We're going to conduct regular site inspections, quality audits, progress meetings to maintain high standards and address any deviation promptly. Documentation is also important, a key in this project, and we have plans to do that to keep regular documentations within the team and also to the sponsor and the client, which is also TSS Academy. Yes, the timeline for this procurement and also for everything. Yeah, the preparation and plan is 2 months. Also, we this also cut across within this class. Your supplier, the identification and selection, everything that's 2 3 months also come together. Which also during this period, we also have the contracts negotiation. We also have the procurement and implementation, monitoring and reporting. Everything we done with this time frame. Yes. Now the last that's the second to last that team charter. The team, like I said, the team name about group 2, our name is Team Deluxe. Our company name is Deluxe Construction Company. And we are trying to, construct a new befitting building that resonates the vision and mission of TSS Academy. There's a premium building standard, because TSS Academy is giving us standard impact and like, so we have to give them standard construction. And team leader is Emmanuella, duration just 1 year. Yeah, the background for this team charter is like, yes, this project is a strategic investment to accommodate TSS academic growth and provide a modern, functional, and sustainable workspace for the employees. And this new space will enhance employee well-being, foster collaboration and position the company for continued success. Yes, and we are a strong project team with diverse expertise. Our team is responsible for overseeing all aspects of the construction process, from planning and designing, architects, engineering, to execution and completion. Completion. So we are there, and like I said, I mentioned the stakeholders earlier, and the mission of the mission objective for this is to build a new complex by the end of the year, which I've stated earlier. And the success we're looking towards for this project completion is that on time and within budget, quality construction, functional workspace, sustainable features, employees satisfaction. And this is going to result to accommodate growth for TSS Academy and enhance their productivity, improves their employees' well-being, promote their collaboration and innovation, strengthen their brand image, and also make it a sustainable practice for them. Yes, the estimated budget for this project is 7.5 billion naira only. Yes, 7.5 billion naira. And these resources are connected to financial resources, that's for construction cost, materials, labor, and permits. And also the human resources for in construction management, for the architecture, the engineering, operation sustainability, and also for the material resources in terms of like buying things like construction materials like concrete, the steel, yes, aspect as well as being secured through the procurement plan. And the equipment, yes, apart from these materials, we need to also hire equipment. And this is a place where we are building a gigantic, high standard building for TSS Academy. We have to use crane, apart from the work labors, and like we're using crane, the bulldozer, the work tools. Training needs to be assessed for the project team and likes. We're going to train some of our the workers' safety training. It's very, very important. Software training in terms of reporting through the use of Asana to communicate and likes, and also the sustainability and training, because we try to use products that are sustainable and likes. Project support is we have the executive support, yes, executive support and financial management. And like I said, we have our team, the project manager, that's Manahan, our skill set, leadership, communication, project management, risk management, project scheduling. Our responsibilities, overseeing all aspects of the project from planning to completion, leading the project team and ensuring clear communication and collaboration, managing the project budget and adhering to financial plans, identifying and mitigating potential risk, developing and maintaining the project schedule. We have the architects, which is not part of the team, but we hired, support one of the workers. Our skill set is architectural designs, building codes and regulations, space planning and likes. We also have the engineering, who is the aspect of social engineers, mechanical engineers, and electrical engineers, who make sure that the building will be standard and well mechanized, and the electrical aspect are also of good quality. I am the safety officer. My skill set, safety regulations and procedures, accident prevention, first aid, and CPR. I also have I'm a certified HSE officer and likes. Responsibility implementing a comprehensive safety program for the construction site, conducting regular safety inspections and ensuring adherence to safety protocols, and providing a safety timeline to the construction workers. My duty is that at least no accident must occur. If in short, if it's even going to occur, it will be very minimal, maybe one out of 1,000. Very, very minimal. In short, my goal is that it must not even occur. So all procedures, everything must be where I adhere to. You have quality control expert, that's Emmanuella. As Chris said, she's a construction quality standard group. She all the quality and everything, the material inspection, the building code and compliance. She's in charge of every aspect of that. Our duty is to inspect construction works to ensure that this construction meets quality standards and specifications. She wants to identify and report any defects or compliance with building codes. Work with contractors to rectify any quality issues. We also have the construction manager, that's site supervisor, that's Morenike. She's also a construction management officer, scheduling and subcontractor management. Our duty is day-to-day management construction activities on the site, overseeing subcontractors and ensuring that they meet deadlines and quality standards. But also coordinating deliveries of materials and equipment, maintaining projects and within project documentation and records. Also, we have the authority levels, that's project manager, that is Emmanuella, the team members of Oluwatobi. We are decision making authority. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me just checking because team operations. To operation, we identify the issues, information sharing, we discuss hand-based brainstorm. We've been doing that since for the past like 1 week now, working towards and everything, doing the budgeting, analyze the schedule, quality assurance, and everything. We've been working all around the clock and likes, evaluation and consensus, documentation and communication. We have all these documents where we're prepared and likes to present, which we are presenting to the project sponsor and our clients, which is TSS Academy and Ms. Oluwatobi. Yes, our operating is a relationship. Yes, we respect and open communication. Meetings, yes, our meetings will be held weekly or bi-weekly to discuss progress, address issues, and make decisions. Profit resolution. If there's any disagreement, team members will focus on how to avoid the personal attacks. Escalation. Issues that beyond the team authority be escalated promptly to the project manager or client representative for resolution. Also, client relationship will maintain regular communication with clients, yes, keeping them informed of progress, potential issues, and decisions. If you notice it's the day that we are meant to present that it was shifted. Our project manager has maintaining that consistent communication with the TSS Academy representative. You can check it on the group chat. She keep updating and keep communicating with the TSS academic representative. Also, in terms of logical support that we have project management tools, we're using our Asana for scheduling, task tracking, project sharing, and communication. And communication channels for updates and discussion and information sharing, we use team meetings, email, instant messaging, and project management. And from the beginning of these projects and everything, we'll be maintaining Zoom meeting. Also maintaining WhatsApp message. Meeting facilities. We also have training and resources and the likes. Yes, the scope. The scope of this project is the size preparation. Yes. We're going to work with the large, and if demolition is necessary, will also be done. Excavation, foundation work, and utilities installation, the building construction too. We also work on that. We also have mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. We also have interior design and out. We also have inspections and approvals. We have testings and approvals. We have testings and we have inspections and approval. Yes, the Lagos State government will need to inspect and approve, and so you can get the permits. We have testing and commissioning. We also have construction cleanup and handover. The project the project will we're going to participate in defining and maintaining the project scope throughout the project lifecycle in several ways. Through our kickoff meeting, which we'll be doing things, our technical inputs, the risk management, which we will analyze and everything, change management, progress meetings, and likes. Yes, our performance assessment. How we want to assess if we are progressing or not. Number one, we have going to have a series of performance assessment. But for the first one, schedule performance. I want to assess that. We're going to assess that through physical completion of major construction milestones. For instance, foundation completion, framing completion, compared to the baseline schedule. So if all these are completed, we tick completed. We also have critical path method, CPM, we also use that to monitor deviations. If there's any deviation for the critical part of the project schedule. The budget performance. We're going to compare the budget cost of the work schedule with the actual cost of the performed. The budget that we plan to use and the amount we actually spent on. We're going to check it and compare with it. Quality performance. Yes, there will be regular inspections by qualified personnel. Yes, Emmanuella and they don't care. They're going to continue to ensure construction adheres to plans and specifications. Yes. I also have safety performance, which I'm there. All safety incidents, near misses, or unsafe work practices will be reported and investigated to identify root causes and prevent future occurrences. We always regularly audit safety by assessing the project's adherence to safety protocols and identify areas for improvement. Yes. What about our team and performance? Yes, we are going to do that through meeting minutes. We should be doing that on our platform. So our project management software, like I said, we are working on Asana. Asana will do that with every task assigned to every one of us. We check that and see if any of us is doing that or not. The project team will be assessed by combination of internal and external stakeholders. We can't do it on our own. The internal stakeholders is the project manager. Project manager will go to check all this if you are doing what we're meant to do. And and also the client representative, that's Mr. Oluwatobi. This will also designate a representative to monitor our progress, review our project reports, and provide feedback on team's performance or meeting their expectations. We also have the external auditors, depending on the project's complexity. We don't know how many people are coming from the TSS Academy to check what we are doing or not. This will be done weekly or monthly, depending on our clients want it. Okay. Yeah. The next one, activities and milestone. Yeah, that's the pre-construction sites, getting permits, doing the project plan, the lights which have done, the budget and the risk register, which have done, the security permits, which are also working on. If we can get approval from TSS Academy, we kickstart that. Construction, procure construction materials, we've gotten the contacts of our suppliers, and finalize construction design drawings and specifications. As I now, with the information we got from TSS Academy, they didn't tell us the number of floors that they want. So they didn't tell us the number of acres of land they want to build on. So we're waiting for that instruction so we can know that, okay, with what TSS Academy wants, they want either 10-story building, all this is to make us a lot of fine-tune everything and make it more beautiful. So that, and how many acres of land? Is it acres of land? Is it how many plots? So these things we're also waiting for TSS Academy to provide all this information to us. Also in the construction phase, after we get the number of floors that TSS Academy wants, and the size of land, is it 600 square meter, or is it 1,002, or is it 5,000 square meter, or is it 10,000 square meter? Then from there we can go to the construction site. Then if there's any demolition, we'll do it. If there's any evacuation, then we're going to start evacuation and the foundation work. The building construction, the framing, the roofing, the walls, the windows, and the doors. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, the interior design and fit outs. The quality control inspections throughout the construction process, following the desire of the TSS Academy and everything. Then the post-construction phase. After construction, everything, what should we expect? We test and commission all the building systems, all the electricals and everything. We test all of them. Everything must work perfectly. Equity systems. And construction cleanup, we clean up everything. Everyone needs to look sparkle and clean. They also hand over the completed building to TSS Academy. And warranty period, yes, we're going to guarantee that. And our warranty period is about, is within 1 year. If there's any damage or anything, we'll come and fix it. Yeah. So, so I just buttress my point there because of time. Yes. These are the team members. Emmanuella. We have this is the project manager. We have Emmanuella. We have Morenike. I have Oluwatobi Ogunlere. There is one that I will also love to share with us. One last document. So sorry. A moment, please. Just one last document. So yes, that's the RACI matrix. Matrix for this project, and showing the task and everything since our client demanded for it. So we have to show our clients. So TSS Academy and our project sponsors from TSS Academy. And this is our RACI matrix. We have 9 tasks. The first task, overseeing all aspects of the project from plan to completion. That's Emmanuella. She's the one in charge. I will to be accountable. Emmanuella is accountable. Monica is accountable. You're all accountable. Designing the new building office. Yes. Immediately we get the requirement, the design, the number of floors they want, and the number of land that TSS Academy is working on. We could then we'll now design the new office using our architect, considering the functionality and the aesthetics and stability desire of TSS Academy. Yes, we have an architect who is not part of the team, but in my hands, since she's project manager, she's responsible for that. Oluwatobi, as a safety officer, I'm also accountable because that building must be well designed and also meeting safety measures. And Omolola is also informed because she must get, because we are doing a premium project, she must get a premium quality building materials. And Omolola too, Omoreke is also as a specialist, she has been consulted. Ensuring the building.
Can I just come in here? Toby, you've done a fantastic job.
Thank you, ma'am.
You don't need to go through the rest. I'm just going to tell you all the designing parts. You cannot make anybody on your team responsible for that because they are not designers.
Okay, yes.
I understand that you were trying to fit everything into your team. But if you're going to present this to a client and you tell them that the project manager is responsible for designing, if there's design flaws, is the project manager going to take the fault for that? No. So don't make your project team responsible for something that they don't have expertise over.
Okay, sir.
All right. So
yes,
it's fine. You did a fantastic job with the race metrics and presentation. The only thing that stood out for me was if you are going to escalate an issue within your project team, you escalate it to the project manager and or the client representative. How is the client representative going to help your team to manage risk? Shouldn't it go to your company? Why is the client about your? Shouldn't it go to project sponsor?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Like you're telling an outsider that you guys are fighting inside your house.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
So just look at that. But apart from that, you did an extensive work. One other thing that I've asked you, this presentation was to me as a stakeholder. You define me as a client rep or client.
As a client, what is my preferred mode of communication?
Emmanuel, and tell me. Oh, you are guessing.
Ma,
Yes, sir.
okay, yes, yes. Shabasa ma.
What's the answer?
Email. Shazan ma.
Hello, sorry, I think my internet is spotty. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now, ma.
Okay. I said, did I mention
hear
at
you.
any point email was my preferred mode of communication?
No, ma, you yes, you did mention that, but we are being I think this is like in the mail where we got this assignment, it said it's a fictional project. Okay,
Okay,
so
so
yeah,
it
so
came up with
everything, yes, we're doing it's basically fictional. We're trying to create these scenarios. Yes. So
so
we
you
really
tell me
need to
that
hear from
you
you.
had a then the next thing is to tell me that you had a conversation with the clients and the client mentioned that their preferred
Okay, ma.
mode of communication
The email.
will be email, and this is how frequently they would prefer to be updated.
Okay, ma.
Right?
Okay. Okay, ma.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Because if
Thank
that's
you,
the
ma.
case, you should have just sent me this via email, not presenting it to
Yes. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma. Well, I appreciate. Thank you.
You're welcome. And I think that's all for this group. Is there another group?